Most AI agents have a goldfish memory problem. You give them a task, they finish it, and the next day they've forgotten who you even are. But that just changed. Nous Research just dropped Hermes 0.7, and they're calling it the Resilience Update. This isn't just a minor patch. We're talking about a complete architectural shift that allows AI agents to have permanent, swappable memories and the ability to dodge bot detection like a pro. If you're an agency owner, a developer, or just someone tired of babysitting your AI, you need to see this. Today on AI Central, we're breaking down the 7 key updates that make Hermes 0.7 the most stable open-source agent on the planet. Part 1. The Memory Revolution. Let's start with the headline, Pluggable Memory. Before 0.7, you were stuck with one way for Hermes to remember things. Now, memory is a plug-in system. You can swap out the back-end for anything, a vector store, a custom database, or third-party providers like Honcho. Key point 1. Isolated memory spaces. Because it's pluggable, you can now run isolated memory buckets. If you're an agency, Client A's data will never bleed into Client B's. This was the biggest friction point for production-grade agents, and it's officially gone. Part 2. Credential pools. We've all been there. Your mid-workflow and your API key hits a rate limit or a billing error, and the whole agent crashes. Key point 2. Automatic failover. Hermes 0.7 introduces credential pools. You can now stack multiple API keys for the same provider. Hermes uses a least-used strategy to rotate them automatically. If one key throws a 401 error, it silently flips to the next one. Your agent keeps working while you sleep. Part 3. Stealth browsing with Camoufox. AI agents usually struggle with the real internet because they get detected as bots immediately. Key point 3. Camoufox integration. The update includes a new local browser backend called Camoufox. It's designed specifically for stealth. It uses anti-detection techniques so your agent can perform web research and competitor intel gathering without getting IP banned. It even supports VNC for visual debugging. Part 4. Control and security. 2 quick but vital updates for those who value control. Key point 4. Inline diff previews. Whenever Hermes writes to a file, you now see a visual diff preview in the tool feed. You see exactly what it's changing before it moves to the next task. No more manual checking of every output. Key point 5. Secret exfiltration blocking. In terms of security, Hermes now scans LLM responses for secret patterns. If a prompt injection tries to trick the agent into leaking your API keys or cloud credentials, Hermes blocks it instantly. Part 5. The /BTW command and IDE integration. This is a small feature with a huge impact on usability. The /BTW command. Key point 6. Context protection. If your agent is mid-task and you have a side question, you type /BTW. Hermes answers without that question touching your main conversation context. It keeps the thread clean and prevents the agent from getting confused. Key point 7. Universal editor tools. Whether you use VS Code, Zed, or JetBrains, your editor can now register its own MCP servers. Hermes picks these up automatically as tools. Your IDE and your agent are now officially one ecosystem. Hermes went from version 0.1 to 0.7 in just 6 weeks. That is a terrifying pace of development. This update proves that Nous Research isn't just building a cool tool, they're building the plumbing for the future of autonomous work. To get started, just run /update inside your Hermes chat. It handles the migration for you. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that subscribe button for AI Central. We track these updates so you don't have to. Let me know in the comments, are you moving your workflows to Hermes or sticking with OpenClaw? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.